Are you tired of dealing with bad credit? Do you want to fix your credit score fast and start enjoying financial freedom? Well, look no further because in this video, I'm going to show you a proven credit repair service that can quickly and effectively help you with your credit score and your credit profile. From improving your credit score to improving your credit profile. Say goodbye to bad credit, say goodbye to your bad profile, and start watching now, and we'll show you how your credit report and your credit score can improve in just a short matter of time. How we can take your credit score and your credit profile and upgrade it, clean out the discrepancies, clean out any items that should not be on your credit report, and within a matter of time, through us, we can help you provide a good, clean credit profile that'll help you in the future when you're out there looking for a loan or trying to get credit on your own. Now, according to Experian.com, in 2021, the average American had a credit score of 586. Also, within the same report, the average debt of each American was over $52,000. Also, with this report from Experian.com, in 2021, the average American had a utilization rate with their credit of over 55%. So with those numbers in mind, if you're in that category and you need help repairing your credit, look to us at Summit Beacon. We can help you with your credit repair, your credit profile, and improving your credit score in a matter of time. I provide the services that can help you. Contact me. My link is below, and we can get started on a good credit program to help you and your family on a future credit profile that will increase so that you can get that mortgage or that loan that you've been trying to get.